Dear students, let us practice some questions. Like this question number 28. It talks about Sneha is writing a Python program to create a data frame using a list of dictionaries. However, her code contains some mistakes. Identify the errors, rewrite the correct code, and underline the corrections made. So there is going to be one question where they will be giving you the code, and it is going to be for 2 marks, and you have to identify four mistakes. So you have to identify and write the correct code. Half mark will be given for each mistake which you are finding and writing the correct answer for it. So line by line you have to read it, identify the error. The first line here is import pandas as PD. So do you see any error here? Yes. It is a case sensitive language, so pandas P should be in small letters. So rewrite this line, import pandas as PD, P in small letters, and underline this word. Look at the next line. D1 is equal to, now within the dictionary, within the curly brackets, they have written name colon Rakshit. So the dictionary is there. The key value format looks right. Comma age colon 25. Again, the key value looks right. T2. The curly bracket is used. The key value format is used. All the string values are in quotes. Starting code, ending code, everything looks correct. D3. Again, look at this line. The curly bracket is there. Key value is there. Colon is there. Quotes are there. Can you see this quote? Double quote. But the beginning is single quote. So this is the mistake. The dictionary part is there, curly brackets are correct, key value format is correct. Look at this double inverted commas. When it is closing with double inverted commas, where is the beginning of it? So this part has the mistake. When the beginning is with the single quote, the ending should be with the single quote, or both the sides it should be double quote. So this is a mistake. You correct it, you write down the complete code after making the corrections. Look at the next line. Data is equal to D1, comma D2, comma D3. The square bracket is in the beginning. At the end, it is a round bracket. So brackets are, is always been your errors when you do the programming. So one half mark, 100% they are going to either give the fill in the blank at import part or pandas part. So half mark, you should look for it. You should look for the brackets. The maybe the mistake is in curly bracket or square bracket or round bracket. Okay, so here is the mistake. List of dictionary is to be created. So beginning is curly square bracket, ending should be with the square bracket and the square bracket closing. So this is another mistake. DF is equal to PD dot data frame, and the data, this data is here. So you will see that it is correct. No, it is not correct. Data frame, D is capital, F should also be capital. I told you there are 5 words in Python pandas, total 5 words, where you will find capital letters. The rest of the complete programming, all the keywords are in small letters. सीरीज का एस, डेटा फ्रेम का डी और एफ कैपिटल में होता है, ट्रू और फॉल्स का टी और एफ कैपिटल में होता है, नन का एन कैपिटल में होता है. These 5 words have one letters in capital. Otherwise, it is a case sensitive language and everything should be in small letters. So this is another mistake. One mistake is panda, second mistake is quotes, third mistake is square bracket, fourth mistake is F. So 2 marks for this. I'll show you the answer for this. How you have to write? You have to write it like this. Import pandas as PD, underline it. Then you write D1 is equal to this, D2 is equal to this, D3 is equal to this. Aisha, you have made the correction here. So you underline it. Data is equal to, you have made the correction with the square bracket. You put the underline that you are making the correction here, so that the examiner can immediately see df is equal to pd dot data frame, underline it. This is how you have to write the answer. Moving to another question, let's look at this part. Let's practice this question. This is complete the given Python code to get the required output. There is a big possibility that you will get this type of the question where you have to write the output of the uh, this is fill in the blank. This is the required output is this. This is the required output and the code is given with dashes. So output अगर हमें ये चाहिए तमिलनाडु चेन्नई उत्तर प्रदेश लखनऊ मणिपुर इम्फाल. So how your code should be import pandas as pd. Data is equal to Chennai. What is the next value? And then Imphal. So what is missing? You look at this data. Here you can see Chennai is here, Imphal is here. So Lucknow is missing. You write here. Lucknow index is equal to Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Manipur. This is already given. There is nothing missing. There is no fill in the blank in this line. S is equal to pd dot series. So they are making S object series type. So what is missing here? Missing is this data. This data should have been here so that your series is created with this data. Print क्या करेंगे कि ये output आ जाए S print करेंगे. So print S here and you will get the answer. I'll show you the answer now. This is how you have to write. Import pandas as PD. Data is equal to Chennai, Lucknow, Imphal. So you have to write the complete code. Don't just write only the fill in the blank part. सिर्फ वही शब्द नहीं लिखने हैं, पूरा का पूरा कोड कॉपी करना है और अंडरलाइन भी करना है. जो fill in the blanks है वो प्रॉपरली करना है. So there is no fill in the blank in the index line, but here you have to write data, print S. This is how. So half mark for each fill in the blank you have to do like this. Okay, let's I'm opening another question paper now. Now in another question paper, again, I can see two questions. Look at this question, predict the output of the given Python code. So here import pandas as PD is given and the list one is given, which is having three values, -10, -20 and -30. A series is created with the list into two. So list does not allow to do mathematical operations. That is why we are working with series. So then what is this multiply by 2? अगर list पर mathematical work होता नहीं है तो multiply by 2 का मतलब replication है, वो repeat करता है. तो list 1 की जो value है वो दो बारी repeat होगी, multiply नहीं होगी. And with that value the series is created, print series. So how the output will come and how you have to write the output is -10, -20, -30. Series में ये list into 2 करके बना है series. So series has the elements -10, -20, -30, again -10, -20, -30 क्योंकि series को जब बना रहे हैं सीरीज तो लिस्ट 1 इंटू 2 करा गया है. दिस इंटू 2 का मतलब मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन नहीं है. इट द मीनिंग ऑफ इट इज रेप्लिकेशन, रिपीट. I hope you have understood this. Let's move to the next question. Question number 24. Complete the Python code to get the required output as Rajasthan. ऐसे कंप्लीट करना है कोड की आउटपुट में राजस्थान आए. So import pandas as PD. ये आधा नंबर आपने नहीं छोड़ना है. Then it is saying DI is equal to Corbett, उत्तराखंड. So I can see कि इन्होंने डिक्शनरी बनाई है, कर्ली ब्रैकेट से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, की वैल्यू फॉर्मेट के में लिखा है कॉर्बेट उत्तराखंड, सरिस्का राजस्थान, कान्हा मध्य प्रदेश, गिर गुजरात. ये मेरे को डिक्शनरी दिखाई दे रही है. NP इज इक्वल टू एक और ऑब्जेक्ट बनाई जा रही है डैश डॉट सीरीज. डैश डॉट सीरीज का मतलब सीरीज बनाने की स्टेटमेंट है. तो यहाँ पे हमने PD लिखना है. PD डॉट सीरीज पांडास का सीरीज फंक्शन यूज करते हुए. सो व्हाट शुड बी इन दिस फिल इन द ब्लैंक. आप सीरीज किससे बना रहे हो? आप सीरीज इस डिक्शनरी से बना रहे हो. सो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? DI. सो DI को यूज करते हुए सीरीज बनी है और सीरीज का नाम NP है. सो प्रिंट कमांड में यहाँ क्या लिखा जाए? द क्वेश्चन सेज कि आउटपुट राजस्थान आना चाहिए. तो आउटपुट राजस्थान तब आएगा जब इस सीरीज में से सरिस्का की वैल्यू मांगी जाएगी. सो NP एंड विद इन द स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट हम सरिस्का लिखेंगे तो आंसर में राजस्थान आएगा. लुक एट द आंसर. Okay, Here is the answer. Import pandas as PD. Then the dictionary is given. Corbett, Uttarakhand, Sariska, Rajasthan, Kana, Madhya Pradesh, Gir, Gujarat. The series is created with this dictionary. अगर मैं सिर्फ print NP लिखूंगी तो मुझे आउटपुट मिलेगा कॉर्बेट उत्तराखंड, सरिस्का राजस्थान नेक्स्ट लाइन में, कान्हा मध्य प्रदेश थर्ड लाइन में, गिर गुजरात फोर्थ लाइन में। वैल्यूज होंगी उत्तराखंड, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, गुजरात, और ये जो कीज हैं वो उसका इंडेक्स वैल्यू बन जाते हैं। तो सरिस्का लिखा है, दैट इज द आंसर। सरिस्का लिखने से आउटपुट एमपी का, सरिस्का लिखने से आउटपुट राजस्थान मिलता है। दैट इज ऑल। I think that is all for now. Okay, there's one more question which we can discuss here. What is the output of the following? Import pandas as PD. A is equal to PD dot series. Data is equal to 35, 45, 55, 40. Print A greater than 45. So here using the pandas library, series is created. Series is having four values 35, 45, 55, 40. इंडेक्स वैल्यू दी नहीं है तो डिफॉल्ट इंटरनल इंडेक्सिंग 0 1 2 3 तक होगी। लास्ट लाइन जो कह रहा है प्रिंट ए ग्रेटर देन 45, वो ही हमारे आंसर के बेसिस पर हमें 2 नंबर मिलेंगे। सो फ्रॉम द सीरीज ए ग्रेटर देन 45, इज दिस ग्रेटर देन 45? फॉल्स। तो पहली लाइन में आपने लिखना है फॉल्स, या फिर आपने लिखना है 0 फॉल्स, क्योंकि इंडेक्स नंबर 0 का आंसर फॉल्स है। Now look at this. A greater than 45, आपने लिखना है index 1 false. 55, yes, this is true. So आपने थर्ड लाइन में लिखना है 2 true. 2 इंडेक्स पे आपने लिखना है true. 40, 40 is not greater than 45. So it is going to be 3 index and 40 पे आंसर आएगा false. Look at the answer, how you have to write the answer. You have to write it like this. 0 false, 1 false, 2 true, 3 false. तो आपको a greater than 45 सीरीज का सारी वैल्यूज एक एक करके चेक करेगा, ट्रू फॉल्स में आंसर आएगा। That is all for today. I hope with this you know how to attempt find the error. आप फाइंड द एरर एक एक लाइन करके एक एक वर्ड को कैपिटल लेटर्स, स्मॉल लेटर्स, ब्रैकेट्स, कोट्स एंड वर्ड्स, ये सब को देखते हुए फाइंड द एरर। 2 मार्क्स लाने कोई मुश्किल नहीं है। फाइंड द आउटपुट, इंपोर्ट पांडास अपने आप से लिख लेना। देन डेटा शुड बी एज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन। डेटा क्या होना चाहिए क्वेश्चन में, देखो आपको डेटा वहीं से मिलेगा। इंडेक्स में क्या होना चाहिए, अगर यहाँ पे कहीं फिल इन द ब्लैंक होता तो आप क्वेश्चन में देखो, आपको क्वेश्चन से ही आंसर मिलेगा। देन सीरीज कैसे बनाते हैं, पीडी डॉट सीरीज करके बनाते हैं, यहाँ डेटा लिखते हैं या इंडेक्स लिखते हैं। अगर इंडेक्स नहीं लिखा है तो डिफॉल्ट इंडेक्स हो जाता है। प्रिंट के साथ जनरली सीरीज का नाम आ जाएगा। So you can very easily get 2 marks for such type of the questions. Thank you so much. All the best. Bye.